Hello students, I am Hari Krishnan from Bharadasang Metric High Secondary School, Arakonam, 8th standard Mathematics. Today we are going to the topic for exponent. So what do you mean by exponent? Exponent is nothing but the base value how many times multiplied by itself. That is called a exponent. Example 2 power 8 or 2 power 6, anyone. 2 power 8. 2 is the base number. 2 is the base number, this 8 is the exponent. Exponent another name power or index, another name exponent or power or index. So this is the exponent or power or index. Example 2 power 8. 2 is the base number, 8 is the exponent. One more example, 100. 100 equal to 10 power 2. Mean 10 multiplied by 2 times we get 100. 10 multiplied by 2 times we get 100. So this 10 is the base number, 2 is the exponent. Okay, this is the exponent. Next one, standard form and usual form. First one, standard form and usual form. So listen, difference between standard form and usual form. So listen, difference between standard form and usual form. Example 10,000. 10,000 is the usual form. This is equal to 10 power 4 equal to 10,000. 10, 10, 10. 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 100, 10,000. So we get same as 10,000. 10 is the base number, 4 is the exponent. This is the usual form, this is the standard form. Standard form, another name, standard index form. Or scientific notation. So listen, scientific notation. What do you mean by scientific notation? This is equal to A into 10 power m, when m is the positive value. Where m is positive. Or A into 10 power minus m, when m is negative. When m is negative. Listen one more example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12,345. This is the usual form or normal form. This is equal to move to left side. So this is equal to 1.2345 into 10 power, count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 power 4. 10 power 4. This is the positive value, not decimal value. This is the whole number. Whole number or natural number. So 10 power positive value, positive exponent. This 4 is the exponent value. 1.234 is the, this is the A. 1.234 is the A value. 1.234 is the decimal value. 12,345 is the natural number or whole number. This is the usual form or standard form. Usual form or normal form. Usual or normal form. This side standard form or standard index form or scientific notation. Standard form or standard index form or scientific notation. Next, one more example. 0.000536. This is the decimal value. 0.00 means this is the decimal value. This is equal to, listen, decimal point to first number. 0 after first number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is equal to 5.36. 5.36 into 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 digit. Power of minus 5. Power of minus 5. Why? Because this is the decimal value. If here decimal value means exponent value negative. Here positive because listen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is equal to 1.234 into 10 power plus 4. Why? This is the positive value. This is the negative value. So negative value means exponent value negative. Decimal value means exponent value negative. Whole number or natural number means decimal value positive. Okay. This is the usual form or normal form. This is the standard form or standard index form or scientific notation. Next one, exercise 2.3, Roman number 1. Express the following numbers in the standard form. Listen, this number is 0.00036 is the usual form. It can be written as standard form. Listen, decimal point to first number, 0 after first number. To first number, this is equal to 3.6. 3.6 into 10 power 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So power of minus 13. Why? Here we can put minus because 0.003. This number is the decimal value. So decimal value means power value, exponent value minus or negative. 0.36, 3.6 into 10 power minus 13. Minus 13 is the exponent value. 3.6 is the A. So A into 10 power minus M. A into 10 power minus M. A equal to 3.6. M equal to 13. M equal to 13. Why here minus? Because it is the decimal value. It is the decimal value. Next question. 0.00128. Decimal point to first number moving to right side. This is equal to 1.28 into 10 power 3, 6, 9, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So 10 power minus 13. 10 power minus 13. Why here minus? This is the decimal value. So decimal value means exponent value negative. 1.28 is the A. Minus 13. So m equal to 30. M equal to 30. Next one, Roman number 2. Express the following in the usual form or normal form. Usual form or normal form. Four point 932 into 10 power minus 12. So here having minus. So it is the decimal value. 4.932 is the decimal value. This is equal to minus 12. So 12th number is 4. 12th number is 4. 0.01, 2, 3. We can put 11 zeros. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12th number is 4. So 4, 9, 3, 2. 4, 9, 3, 2. So this is the usual form or normal form. This is the standard form or standard index form or scientific notation. One time we have to check this. Decimal point to first number. Decimal point to first number. 4.932 into 10 power 3, 6, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So 10 power minus 12. We get the same value. Okay. Next one, question number 3. Express the numbers appearing in the following statement in standard form. Listen, mass of electron 0.00009 grams. So this number is whole number, natural number. Next one, decimal number. Which one is correct here? Yes, decimal number. This is the decimal number 0.00. So 0 point. 0 point means this is the decimal value or decimal number, can be written as standard form. This is equal to, here having only one number 9. 0.2 first number 9. 9 into 10 power. 10 power minus or plus. Here 10 power minus or plus. Minus, right. Here minus. Why? Because it is the decimal value. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, last number 28. So 10 power minus 28. Here 28 is exponent or power or base number. Which one is right? Both exponent or power. 28 is the exponent or power. Okay. So 9 into 10 power minus 28. It is the standard form or standard index form or scientific notation. Grams. Mass of electron equal to 9 into 10 power minus 28 gram. Next one, question number 4. Diameter of a wire on a computer chip is 3 into 10 power minus 6. Express it in the usual form. Listen, what do you mean by diameter? In circle, a circle can be divided into two equal parts. A circle can be divided into two equal parts. This line segment is called a diameter. This line segment is called a diameter, or the length of the largest chord of a circle is called a diameter. The length of the largest chord. Chord means A to B. This point is A. This is B. So AB line segment is called a chord. The length of the largest chord of a circle is called a diameter. Largest chord of a circle is called a diameter. Okay. So this is the diameter. Listen, largest chord of a circle is called a diameter. So what do you mean by chord? Wherever we take at any 2 point on a circle, here to here. This is P, this is Q. So P to Q. This line segment is called a chord. This line segment is called a chord. The length of the largest chord of a circle is called a diameter. Okay. Next one, 3 into 10 power minus 6. 3 into 10 power minus 6. Listen, this is standard form or usual form. Standard form or usual form. Which one is right? 3 into 10 power minus 6. So, power of 10 power minus 6. So, this is the standard form or standard index form or scientific notation. Here exponent value, what is the exponent value here? Minus 6. Minus 6. 6 is the exponent value, negative exponent. Here having minus, so this is the negative exponent. 3 into 10 power minus 6. This is equal to 0.00. Sixth number is 3. Sixth number is 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. So, sixth number is 3. So, 0.0003. This is the diameter of a wire. One time we have to check this. Decimal point to first number. 3 into 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 3 into 10 power minus 6. LHS equal to RHS. I have enclosed by study material, question bank and self-assessment. Go through and study well. Thank you.